Hello everyone, I am Ankita Veka and in this video I am going to share my reflection on my self-learning activity. I completed a computer architecture course through a Sailor Academy. I will explain why I selected this activity, how I completed it and what I learned and how this experience will help me in my future career. So for my self-learning activity I chose an theory-based computer architecture course from Sailor Academy. I selected this course because understanding computer architecture is important for cybersecurity students. It helped me understand what happens inside a computer when instructions are executed and how different hardware components work together. So I selected computer architecture because it provides the foundation for understanding how computers actually work. As a cybersecurity student, I believe it is important not only to know software and security tools, but also to understand the underlying hardware and system architecture. This course allowed me to connect my theoretical knowledge with the actual working of computer systems. So I followed a self-paced learning process. First, I went through the course material and watched the available learning content. I made notes of important concepts and tried to understand topics that were new to me. I also completed the assigned activities and assessments. Whenever I found a topic difficult, I reviewed the material again instead of simply moving forward. Finally, I completed the course requirements and obtained my course completion certificate. So these screenshots show my learning process and completion of the activity. They include the course interference, my process, assessments or assignments and the completion certificate. This provides evidence that I completed the course as a part of my self-learning activity. Next, the main technical skills I developed were related to a computer architecture and system organization. I improved my understanding of the CPU, registers, memory hierarchy, instruction execution, storage and input-output operations. More importantly, I learned how these components work together to execute programs. This gave me stronger foundation for studying operating systems, networking and cybersecurity. So, like any self-learning activity, I also faced some challenges. Some technical concepts were difficult to understand initially, especially when several concepts were connected together. I overcame this by revising the material, making short notes, and relating the new concepts to topics I had already studied. So, the biggest lesson for me was that self-learning requires consistency and patience. So this course will be useful for my future career because computer architecture is a foundation for my areas of computer science and cybersecurity. It can help me understand operating systems, networking and system level security more effectively. For placements, this knowledge can help me answer technical questions with better conceptual understanding. It can also support my future studies and research in areas such as system security and hardware security. So overall, completing the computer architecture course was a valuable self-learning experience for me. It improved my understanding of how computers work internally and strengthened my technical foundation at the same time. I developed self-discipline, time management, problem solving and a presentation skills. I believe this experience will help me in my academic journey, future placements and career in cybersecurity. Thank you.